come on into my chapel. I just thought I'd show it to you guys. And now we do have some furniture in here at the moment because we're using a bit of storage, but look, there's one side with the windows. Look at that beautiful roof. Whoa! And then we've got these other, you probably can't see them because the light's coming through, but these completely beautiful stained glass windows. Look at the door. Isn't that? It's been there a while. And then we've got all of this lovely wood panelling all around, which is gorgeous. This room here, coming in here, is going to be a bedroom with a shared Jack and Jill bathroom. And at the moment we're just using it for storage. And in fact, let me be truthful, my 21-year-old son, before because he'd graduated, before he went off to go and live in Barcelona, had 2 parties in here. Now, and there is a pigeon upstairs. How cool would it be to be 21 and having a party at night in this place? And then we've got 2 graves. So, I can hear the pigeons. Grave here and a grave here, which we've got to keep as part of the heritage requirements. And this is John and Isabella. John died in, I think, 1411. Isabella died in 1415. John was a mayor of Bristol. Isabella was his wife. She was also the daughter of another mayor of Bristol. And Isabella wrote to the Pope. This is basically a yew courtyard. It's the closest chapel in the city centre in Bristol. It's like 5 minutes walk to Harvey Nics. And basically what it was I was there talking to, we've got some advisors coming on site. Basically, it was at the time when people built almshouses and places for the poor in order to allow them to go to heaven. So Isabella wrote to the Pope and said, "Dear Pope, I'm going to do this, can I go to heaven?" And the Pope said yes. There you go, there's our chapel. Bye.